Woof. Giving. Too hot. Turn around. Let
Welcome to
them
another
see. Let
exciting
them know.
episode with EnnyGeleCraft. And on today's episode, I will be teaching you one of my premium style of round. So come with me. So for this round style of gilly, you need to pick no pleat at all on the first side of your gilly. It's gonna be a V-shape routine, and all you need to do is follow the step by step. So now collect your pleat on both sides, which is collect your pleat on the first end and the second end, and the shorter end always on top of the longer end. Your formula is 45-55. For those of you who are not conversant with 45-55, kindly check my previous videos on how to get 45-55. Alright, so for the other side, all you need to pick is 2 pleats, then you base. So after you base, make sure you pin down neatly and tightly. So after pinning down, ensure that your gilly is sitting well, and from the looks it is. So now pick your 4. You pick 4 on the longer side. Alright, make sure you arrange your 4 pleats all the way. So this style of gilly is simple and can go on bright. It's quite different from the normal round gilly, just because of the base and the way you tie it. So here you pin down, and then you come back to the front. So right at the front, you want to make sure you lay down your pleats very well and make sure it's neat before you continue. So now you pick your pleats, starting with the base. Just pick 2 at the base. So after, then you start from the top. Now pick down. This routine is actually the best and it's quite simple. For those of you that have tried it, you know that is a very fast way to arrange your pleats and making sure that they are all set. So arrange them neatly and make sure you follow through, and make sure you're not leaving any pleats out. Make sure you're collecting all your pleats and you keep repeating the same routine until you're done with the first side, which is your left side. So that is what I'm working on now. Keep picking your pleats. Ensure you pick and you push up. Each time you pick or rearrange, make sure you're pushing up. Push to the middle. So make sure you arrange to the very base. Don't rush it. So the pleat you started with in the middle, make sure you pick the same exact number of pleats towards the down part of your gilly, and once you're done, you pull in at the back. So I'll be showing you how to pull in. So let's go now. That way, that is where you're pulling. So after you're done pulling in, now you want to go back to the front and start arranging. So you arrange from top to bottom, bottom to the top, back and forth. Keep repeating the routine. Keep repeating the routine. Keep repeating the routine. Alright, so Keep arranging. Make sure you're arranging well, neatly. Now don't rush the process, just take it one by one at a time. One by one at a time. Okay, so keep going, keep arranging. Make sure you arrange well. Now look at what I'm doing. I'm just trying to rearrange and arrange, making sure that pleats are well pleated. So you can do it over and over and over and over until you get what you want. So this arranging consists of me arranging my pleats from top to bottom, and also me resizing my pleats, the smaller ones, making sure that they are all equal together. Then also systematically I'm trying to shift it up, but I don't want to shift it up too much so the material don't break. Okay guys, so she holds down for me and I go to the back to finalize what we started. So all you need to do is just make sure your gele is standing firm, and now we'll go to the back. Then I collect my pleats because I have to arrange them now from the back. So she leaves it and I continue doing what I was doing in front. So all you need to do is just pick your pleats one by one and follow the pleats to the back. So keep pleating, keep going, keep arranging and rearranging. Just take your time. So make sure your round gele is well pleated. Make sure that your pleats are not too big. Make sure your pleats are not too big. Make sure they are of a good medium size and they are all equal from top to bottom. So how do you ensure that? Make sure that you keep pleating correctly and you resize your pleats when one is bigger than one or one is getting very tiny. Make sure you add to it and making sure that your pleats are well set. So now keep going. Now we are almost at the back where we're going to twist. So I'm just trying to make sure that they are all set before I take a twist. So sometimes you still have to correct and correct again until you get what you want. So just do you. Alright, so now I have to remove the pin. Now I did remove the pin. Now just rearrange one more time and we take a twist. So you're twisting in. Make sure you're twisting in exactly, and you're wrapping the remaining one to the top of her head, and then you pin down. You pin down. So let me show you how I do that. Just pinch the edge of your fabric like that, then let the bottom of the pin touch the fabric, then you swing in. All right, then you pack the back and you pin. So our gele is ready to go. So all you need to do now is arrange and rearrange until you have the perfect look. Alright, so guys, you can have this style in two ways. You can leave it plain the way it is, or you can also do this little stylish design on the style. So all you need for this particular style of design is just one pin. You just need to squeeze your fabric on one side and then pin together at the top. So I'll be showing you how to pin together at the top. So just make sure you hold your material firmly and then you pin and swing, then push in straight, and that is all. So after that, your gele is ready. I mean, you can leave it the previous way or you make it this way, whichever one that works for you. Okay guys, I hope you guys love this tutorial. So if you love this tutorial, kindly give this tutorial a thumbs up and also drop a comment. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you, EnnyGele. Bye.